Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. Another video on ticker symbol MMAT. You can see that on an hourly chart, the stock moved a lot today. It was moving around 1.65 and after hour it went all the way to 2.07. Even before the market closed, it was 2.12. If you look at the price movement from 1.65 all the way to 2.1 is like 28% move. And this is significant because if you look at SPY, it came down a lot. It came down a lot today, but MMAT did a nice job. So anyone who made some money with MMAT or you are holding this particular stock, congratulations. Anyway, if you find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. So in my private community, few people played MMAT, but one of the ticker we identified very early in the morning, which was SMMT. You can see that when it was around 9:07, we talked about SMMT, and also some of our Discord members that talked about SMMT way before. Like you can see that 19. So we are talking, right? But anyway, for dated perspective, we identified it very early, and today it moved a lot from 1.24 all the way to 2.8, 123% move. So it was a nice catch. Anyway, if you want to join our community for different ticker symbol, trade ideas and alerts, then use the link in the first comment below. Just $9 per month, you can get access to my private community and we can trade together. Okay, so MMAT was happening, the volume today, okay, 19 million, not a crazy volume. Compared to 15 million average volume, 19 is okay, it's more than the average volume. But if you look at day by day volume here, you can see yesterday the volume was 9.8. Compared to that, today's volume is 14. So it's an increasing volume. We have to see is the volume increasing. If I look at last 3-month chart, you can see that the intensity of volume, in some days we had 76-80 million volume, then again volume died, volume came and it went up. So it is really volume dependent. Okay, volume comes, you see a spike, volume comes, you see a spike. So we need volume first of all. In terms of the short interest, as per our text, it is 12.8%. Cost to borrow is really high, 44%, and the utilization is 99.36. When the utilization is 100%, it means there is no shares available to short. But here we see some shares are available to short. But looking at the short interest, it's just slowly going up. The short interest was here 10%. Now it is a little bit higher, 12-13%. Not crazy. Okay. Now let's have a look how this thing moved today. Okay. So the volume started coming right around 3 p.m. Did a nice move with lots of volume, went over, came down, and this resistance at $2 became the new support. Whenever I see a resistance becomes a new support, it's a good sign. And why? You can see the red line here, 1.97 $2 area. Previously it was a resistance, then it became a support. We broke it, then the support became resistance. Now we are over $2. So as long we are holding this as a support, it means that the resistance has become a new support. Look what happened last time. From 2 it went all the way to 2.27, 2.3, 10-15% move. So again, this can happen. If you look at a bigger picture, even this is another chart. Maybe I'll just go back to a 2-hour chart. I just want to show you something. This particular line here, you see, maybe I'll just make it another color. The blue line here, the $2 was always a very strong resistance. Last time we broke through 2, we went to 2.3, but again we came below. So 2 needs to become a support in order to go up, right? Otherwise 2 might act as a resistance and we might come down. Also, if I connect the lines here, you can see that, see all the top here, right? See all the top here. It is making higher high. At the same time, you can see the trend here. It is making higher low. It's a trend. It's just going upward. So if things are going good, I think we might go towards 2.2 and who knows, around 2.5. Because if it is an uptrend, it will go up and down, up and down. We have to see. If you are thinking about option, look at the option chain activity. All the options expiring this Friday, the concentration is around $2, right? Lots of concentration happening. the implied volatility is very high. So if you are buying a call option for 2 strike price, you are paying $14. So by Friday you want this to go to 2.14. The implied volatility is really high. So if we are just buying and selling, just make some money and get out. Okay. On the other hand, if you come down, you can see the volume here. The volume for put option is not very high, meaning that people are very excited on the call side. Look, 34 call versus put is only 2000. Call volume 22 versus only 1000. So things are very bullish on the option chain activity. Okay. Also, the IB is really high. Now, how you can make money? So if you want to day trade tomorrow, first of all, if you want to do that, join my community. For sure, MMAT will be on our day trade list. And when we talk about day trading, we come up with a list something like that, like with the ticker symbol, with the entry and exit and some note. Okay, this is how we work. So if you want, definitely you can join our community. Most probably 1.95, 1.96, that will be your first entry, because we want MMAT to hold this particular area. If it is held strong, you can go towards 2.2 and 2.5. If 1.95 is broken, the next area I'm looking around 1.9. See, 1.9 was the previous rejection, but today when it came to 1.9, it bounced from 1.9. So 1.95, 1.9, these are the entry we are thinking for tomorrow. We will see. This is after hours, pre-market, things can change. That is why we always come up with a plan around 9 p.m. each day. So we see the pre-market, then we come up our revised plan, and then we just go from there. So you can always see like 9:07, 9:11. So we make our plan pre-market, not the night before. Anyway, if you want, again, join my community and hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Let me know your thoughts about MMAT. What are you doing with your stock? Are you long? Are you short? Are you doing day trading, swing trading? Anyway, just want to hear from you. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace. And by the way, SMMT, keep an eye on this particular stock because it looks really strong, 2.8 after hours. And if you look at the stock, it has lots of upside, because if I draw a line, you can see that it really has some room all the way to 3.4, and once 3.4 is broken, it can go towards 4.8. So very exciting, right? Look at the volume, the amount of volume is coming. Anyway, take care and peace.